as a country, our ethos and our DNA is democratic, right? I mean, there's the book, The Argumentative Indian, by Mr. Amartya Sen. We just like to talk and, spend a lot of time talking and discussing things. And that's the way we build consensus, because it's very complex. And so we in the Congress are pretty clear that whatever is going to be built, whatever is going to happen, has to be in a democratic, in an open structure. And that, of course, that's not China, right? So we are much more comfortable with the democratic idea, that open idea. Of course, at the same time, they're our neighbor, and we are in competition with them. And frankly, if we're going to talk about production, right, we are the biggest game in town. And so they see us as a problem, right? So my approach is, they are offering a vision of productivity, of prosperity. Well, we should have a vision of prosperity too. And that includes the West and India. But that's missing, right? So to me, that's where the work needs to be done.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो हाय, आदाब एवरीवन। दोस्तों, मैं आपका दोस्त शहबाज खान, आप देख रहे हैं